beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in for this Shuri-inspired Black Panther transformation. Black Panther has rocked my world. I'm obsessed with the movie. They had me going through all the feels. I laughed, I cried, I was excited. If you have not seen this movie, you need to get your butt to a theater near you. Watch it in a theater. Don't watch it bootleg. You need this experience, okay? I loved the character of Shuri. I just think she's so revolutionary. Not only is she a young black woman, she's intelligent. She's in charge of all of the technology in Wakanda. So I just loved that. And I have to say, I'm obsessed with Letitia Wright as well. She is Guyanese. I'm Surinamese. Guyana and Suriname are next to each other, so it's basically like seeing your neighbor succeed. So I'm just obsessed with Letitia Wright. I'm just obsessed with Shuri, so I had to give you this Shuri transformation. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Share this video with people who are obsessed with Black Panther, okay? I need to go see this movie again. Have a wonderful day, you wonderful human being. Bye.